Bum ba da bum ba da bum ba da bum. Start streaming. What if I just started the show like this? What? Yeah, listen, we're really sorry about that thing we did. Um, Me and Ashton, and Miley Kunis, whatever. Uh, you just got punked. You know how we wrote that letter to the judge saying, "Hey, I don't know what those other people said about my friend, but he's a good dude. Make sure when you send him away for life, you try to remember that he had movie star friends. You know, that great actor Ashton Kutcher. Dude, where's my car? Did you ever see that movie? No, I've never seen anything Ashton. I think I saw one episode of Two and a Half Men with Ashton Kutcher after Emilio Estevez's brother lost his mind. Yeah. I watch Miley all the time on Family Guy. Yeah, she's Meg. Yeah, shut up, Meg. Anyway, so today's Ojibwe word of the day. I want to talk about the buffalo. I want to talk about the buffalo in the room. The mushkore bajike. Mushkore bajike. And respect. Why don't you guys learn to respect your movie stars? Get out of here. Respect your elders? Mm-mm. Respect your movie stars. Nah. Do you respect movie stars? Not really. You don't take your political opinions and views from movie stars or television stars who party with Scientology? No. Sunny. All right, let's get started. Where's our intro song, sweetie? I got it right here. All right, you want to play it? You got it. And 3, 2, take it away. Nee weenie mooshen. Okay, hey, boozhoo. And welcome back to the show. Welcome back to Boozhoo, NANABOOZHOO, the podcast about Ojibwe language and culture. Oh, that moth is back. Oh, really? Yeah, I wanted to kill him earlier, but now I hope he doesn't bother us. Ladies and gentlemen, the lovely and the talented Natasha. Boozhoo, Kakina Avia. Hello, everybody. How you doing? And over here, the rock star cartoonist himself, Michael Lyons. Say hello, buddy. Hey, everybody, welcome to the show. And today, on Boozhoo NANABOOZHOO, I think our title is something like All the 7 Grandfather Teachings. So what did I do with that little picture? What did I do? The 7 Grandfather Teachings. All right, I'm going to make this small for a second so we can read it. The 7 also known as, what you call it? The 7 Anishinaabe values. The 7 Anishinaabe values. So 7 grandfather teachings. These are kind of, they're not the 10 Commandments, but they're the things that our elders and our wise men and whatever would discuss. So to live a good life, to walk the red road. There are these 7 ideas that are very important to the Anishinaabe, to the grandfathers. You got respect. Minadain da moen. And each of these are represented by an animal. Buffalo, mushkode bajike. Mushkode bajike. The prairie cow is also what we call it. But then you got your bear, sweetie. Got your mukwa. Mukwa. Mukwa represents courage. A lot of people from the bear clan will go into like jobs that need courage. It's a warrior clan, huh? Yeah, exactly. Warrior clan. So a lot of bear clan people end up in the military or they become cops or whatnot. But, being courageous. Courage. Respect courage. Humility. The wolf, Ma'ingan, he represents humility. And that's something I'm still kind of wrestling with. What's that? Like, what is humility? Yeah. Well, isn't that kind of like the opposite of pride? Yeah. It's not thinking down about yourself, but modern culture teaches us to be proud of everything. Oh, you got to walk with pride. Walk proud. Oh, native pride. Oh, here's my pride parade. Hey, Grandma, guess what? I'm gay. Why don't you come down to the pride parade where I can make you cry in public? Pride. They say pride comes before the fall. Exactly. You better beware of being proud. So, our grandfathers would teach us, no, don't be like that. You got to have humility. It doesn't mean you have to have low self-esteem, but you can't think you're the center of the world and that, your farts don't stink. Hey! Because that's wisdom. That's wisdom. Nabwakawin. Yeah, that's like Auntie Tasha's Nabwakawin. Auntie Tasha's wisdom. Yeah. And this is represented not by the res auntie, but actually by the beaver. A Mick. A Mick, the beaver. A Mick. And then this one I like, Sabe. Sasquatch. Yep. Sabe, Bigfoot, Sasquatch, whatever you want to call him. The abominable giant. He represents honesty. Honesty. Now, honesty is not ever telling a lie. It's being truthful. But then there is such a thing as truth. Debwewin. Debwewin. Represented by the turtle. Now, the Debwewin is, hey, Wally Bear is here, sweetie. Well, bonjour, Wally Bear. What's going on, Wally Bear? Gold star for Wally Bear? You got it. Gold star on the wall next to Wally Bear's name. Bonjour, DG. Anyway, truth. Debwewin. Represented by the Mishike. Or Misquadesi is another way. The painted turtle. Misquadesi. And finally, Migazi represents love. Zaga, Edie win. Zaga, Edie win. Love. Love. 'Cause love's such an old-fashioned word, and love dares you to care for the people on the edge of the night. The 7 grandfather teachings. Also known as the Anishinaabe values. But today, sweetie, can you do me a favor? What's that? You want me to teleport you outside? Yeah. I knew it already. Yeah. You know what I'm thinking even before I have to say it. Yeah, I do. Well, let me lock in your coordinates and I'll teleport you outside. And you can say a little prayer. Yeah, I'll say a little prayer outside and talk about one of the 7 Anishinaabe values. There you go. Okay, you got to say the thing. Oh, yeah. 1 to teleport. No, you say it. Oh, that's right. I start. And that's 1 to teleport. Make it so, number 1. No. Wow, these leaves have really started to change. It is the leaves changing moon. That's what we call this time of year. Next month will be the leaves falling moon. But yeah, if I'm going to talk about the 7 grandfather teachings, I better ask the Creator to help me. Bonjour, do? Hello, Great Spirit. Just want to offer you a little tobacco and, see if you'll help me. Hello, Great Spirit. Bonjour, do? Thank you for my life. Miigwech, Gabamadazian. Please help me today. Taka we tuka wishin non gum. Help me to speak well. We tuka wishin andom in a way non gum. Today. Help me to speak well today. I want to talk about respect, and I want to do it in a respectful way. Everything I know about respect I learned from Jim Dunn. He was my teacher in life. Bonjour, Jim. And Daniel Lesage Black. There's another very wise elder of mine. Where would I be? Anyway. Thank you for listening. Miigwech ka bizan dawi egg. Amen. Ladies and gentlemen, get your money to it, a Great Spirit. Anyway, so, hey fellas. Hey Daniel, how you doing? And John Redcorn's back. Okay, hey, bonjour John. What's going on, Niji? It's nice to see you here. I was going to talk a little bit today about one of the 7 Anishinaabe values. Maybe this week. That's already Thursday, isn't it? It's already Neo Good. It's the 4th day. One of these days, I'm just going to pick a theme for the week, and every day, maybe we'll start right now. For the next 7 days, we'll talk about one of the 7 Anishinaabe values. Today, the Mushkore Bajike, the prairie cow, the buffalo. We got to talk about buffalo represents respect. Minadenda Moen. I remember when I was a little guy, I used to talk about the Dakota people. They would say, "Oh yeah, man, the Dakota, they use every part of the buffalo. They'd use its fur, its skin to make buffalo robes. They'd eat the meat to feed the families and stuff. They'd use a buffalo bladder to carry their water. I mean, they'd rinse it out real good, And they'd use every part because they would say, yeah, Indian people, we respect Mother Earth. But as I get older, I'm starting to learn that word, Manadaindamoan, people who don't really understand respect will say, yeah, it's about respecting your elders. Be nice. Don't talk when they're talking and chew with your mouth closed or whatever. Oh, you should respect Mother Earth. Don't litter. It's not just that. There's another side to it. Respect is like having a little bit of fear. You respect fire. Right? You have to show fire respect. Because fire can burn you. It can burn you up. And you got to respect fire because you can cook with it, you can heat with it, you can keep yourself alive. But if you don't show respect for the danger that's there, well, it can mess you up. That's what I think life is like when they say respect Mother Earth. It doesn't mean, yeah, you just got to walk softly and, leave nothing but a footprint. It means you got to show some respect, man. This life, this Mother Earth, she'll, not to quote Sylvester Stallone, but she'll knock you down to your knees and keep you there if you let her. Respect, mana dain da moen. I'm learning respect as I get older. Some of those Anishinaabe values, another one of them is humility. And it doesn't, I used to think humility meant, oh, don't be all pretending you're cool. Nah, you can be cool if you want. It's not, when you get older and when you've been kicked around a little bit, you get humbled. When you get humbled, it cuts through all the crap. They say pride comes before a fall. And that's true, man. One day you're on that 70s show and everybody loves you. And the next day you get humbled. Because your pride will knock you, whatever. You're just begging to get your face smashed when you strut around all prideful. But, I also think pride is taking things for granted or taking credit for everything yourself, thinking that you're the greatest thing. And that you did it all on your own. And that you're all that. Well, humility will happen to you. When you get older, you might get sick. You might lose your good looks. You might get fat. You might get broke. Your plans maybe don't work out. It'll humble you. You might get scared. You might have fear, all this stuff. But if you walk with humility, because you walk with humility, you have respect. If you've ever been burned by a fire, you learn respect for that fire. That fire will humble you and give you humility. And that's the truth. That's the Dabadain Dizzy one. So all these 7 Anishinaabe values, they all seem to work together. You have to show respect. When you get wisdom, you learn respect for everything because you've gained humility. You've been humbled. I'm just trying to be as honest as possible with you. I'm telling you the truth. Because I love you. Because I got you in. Your old Uncle NANABOOZHOO actually loves you. I don't even know you. I wouldn't even recognize you on the street, you guys. But love. It's what connects us all. And when you got the courage to speak the truth, they're all connected. That's crazy. Dr. Evils. Boozhoo. What's up, Doc? Nice to see you. Yeah, Buffalo got a whole lot of respect, says Dr. Evils. Respect the freezing pipes. Yeah, no kidding. That's going to be just right around the corner. I got to start winterizing the house. I finally turned on the space heater this morning. And he's Ben. Your 7 Anishinaabe grandfather teachings. Taught to you by, I'm not really anybody's grandfather. I like to think of myself as everybody's uncle. And, I guess I'm an elder. I'm probably older than a lot of yous. Oh, it's really pretty out here, though. But I suppose I should mahjong. Head on back. Take it back. Take it back. No. Boop, 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 boop. Beep, beep. Beep, beep. Bonjour. Hey, sweetie. Oh, hi, NANABOOZHOO. Are you ready to come in? Yeah. But it's really pretty out here. I know, huh? Those leaves have really changed overnight. Just overnight, it seems. All right, hang on. Locking in on your coordinates. All right. And that's 1 to teleport. Make it so, number 1. Ladies and gentlemen, please welcome NANABOOZHOO. Hey, baby, welcome home. Thank you so much. Yeah, it's really pretty outside. Yeah, this is my favorite time of year, autumn. Dugwagon. Autumn. When autumn comes, there'll be love in the air. Ishkode, fire. Fire. Feel my heat taking you higher. Burn with me, heaven's on fire. Paint the sky with desire. Angel fly, heaven's on fire. Whoa. You know, it was really nice to get back. Yeah, it was, huh? Hey, by the way, you guys, we had a great time in Redcliffe and Bayfield School. Miigwech for a million times. You kids at Bayfield School. I have some video of us doing a show, but I think YouTube's weird about people just showing video of children. Yeah. But we did a show in Bayfield, Wisconsin last Friday, and then Saturday day we were at the Big Top Chautauqua, and man, it was so much fun. We had no reason to be nervous. I know. I want to go back like today. Yeah, huh? But still, it was kind of tough being away from Bagheera, wherever the cat is. Yeah, that was the longest I'd ever been away from our cat since we got him, 3 years ago? 4 years ago? Yeah, I think it's been 4 years now. Anyway, you want to get up here? Sure. I'm gonna let Natasha get up here. But first, how about a word from our sponsors? Don't go away, I'm begging you to stay, 'cause I'm gonna miss your love. Please don't go. Oh, really? Why? Because I'm gonna miss your love. The minute you walk out that door. But I gotta go to work, honey. No, I'm gonna miss your love the minute you walk out that door. Hey, everybody. Okay. Won't you consider becoming a patron? Patron?
No, that's not right.
Patron.
Yeah.
I can't even say it. Please become a patron saint and support Boozhoo NANABOOZHOO, the podcast about Ojibwe language and culture. Click the links in the description to our Patreon page. And if you become a $25 a month Boozhoo Crew member, it's an exclusive club. It's going to cost you some junia, some money. No. You'll get a coffee cup. Oh. You can put your black medicine water in there. Muckety bush, kiki wabu.
Muckety mushkik. See, you're already learning Ojibwe. Boozhoo crew members get $25 a month, and we'll send you a Muckety mushkiki waboo cup, a coffee cup with our pictures on it. And or just check out our Patreon page. You don't have to sign up. You can see some of these videos. This one's backstage of the show. There's Michael and NANABOOZHOO.
My mouth wide open.
This one's called "How's the Historical Trauma Today?" Okay, let's just check this out.
Yeah, I gotta get my coffee. So, yeah, good morning. Mino Giga Jabe. Today's Ojibwe phrase of the day. Mino Giga Jabe. Let's see.
Michael.
A rock star cartoonist.
Michael Lyons, rock star cartoonist. And you have been watching. No. Where's my coffee? Boozhoo, Gakila Awia. Hello, everybody. What?
Nothing.
What are we gonna talk about today?
You want to take a call?
Yeah, sure, I'll take a call. Line 2?
Line 2.
Hello, caller. Welcome to Boozhoo, NANABOOZHOO. You're on the air. That's not working?
You know, I thought there was somebody there, but I guess not.
Oh. Yeah. Should I tell a story?
Yeah, why don't you tell a story?
Okay. Today, my name is Natasha, and once in a while, people call me an Adazuke Ekwe. Adazuke Ekwe. Adazuke Ekwe? Is that how you say it?
Yeah, Adazikekwe.
Adazuke Ekwe. It's a girl storyteller. So today, actually, will you teleport me outside? I want to say it outside the trees.
Okay. And that's when to teleport.
Make it so, cutie pie. No. It's really pretty out here. Gee, Mika, what is he? It's really beautiful. Okay. So today, this is a story about a young man who had a dream. He had a whoopee. He had a vision. He loved to sing and he loved to dance. But he came from a very traditional Native American family. It was very important to his family, especially his grandpa, his Mishomis, that he carry on the traditional Indian way. You know, he wanted his grandson to be a powwow dancer, maybe sing at the drum. He wanted his son to represent their people and a tribe. But this young man, he had a dream. He wanted to be a singer and a dancer. And he went to his grandpa. He goes, "Grandpa, I want to move to the city. I'm going to go to the city and I'm going to become a singer and a dancer." And Mishomis, his grandpa, he looks at him and he goes, no son of mine's going to be no grandson of mine's going to be a singer and a dancer. You must follow the traditional way. It is the way of our people. He goes, "But Grandpa, this is what I really want to do." So Grandpa says, "Tell you what, I'm gonna go in a sweat and I'm gonna pray on it, and I'll give you my answer in the morning." So he goes out, he sweats, he prays on it, he has a dream, and whatever. In the morning, he comes to his grandson, and he says, "Grandson, you have my blessing to go to the city and pursue your dream. But I want you to wear this." And he gave him this traditional outfit. It was a traditional, almost stereotypical Dakota leggings. He had a bone choker, some feathers, maybe an armband or something. And he goes, "Grandson, you follow your dream, but always remember where you come from." So the boy packs up, puts on his Indian clothes, and he gets on a bus and he goes to the city. Gets off the bus, looks around. First guy comes up to him. It's a guy with a mustache, and he's wearing leather chaps. And a leather vest, a black leather vest, no shirt underneath it. Wearing a leather cap. And he goes, "Hey, man, what's up with you, dude? What be this and what be that? Why you gotta look like that? Are you an Indian?" And the guy goes, "I am Anishinaabe, or Dakota, or whatever he was." And he goes, "What about you? What's with the leather outfit?" He goes, "Well, I'm a motorcycle guy. I like to ride motorcycles. So these are my leather chaps and my leather vest. These are my motorcycle outfit. You want to go for a ride?" He goes, "Yeah, sure." So he gets on the back of the motorcycle and they're riding through the city. But pretty soon, the road construction is... There's a guy there and the jackhammer, and he's just muscular, he's just cute. And the guys are like, "Oh, wow, look at that construction guy. He sure is muscly." And they're like, "Hey, Mac." "Yeah, what you want?" Goes, "You sure are muscly. Are you a dancer?" He goes, "No, I'm a construction worker. But I dream of being a dancer and a singer." Goes, "Oh, that's crazy. I want to be a dancer and a singer." And the biker goes, "Yeah, me too." Goes, "Come on. And get in the sidecar." And so the construction guy goes, "Hey, boss, I quit." And he gets in the sidecar of this motorcycle. And it's the biker and the Indian guys on the back of the motorcycle, and now this construction guy's in the sidecar. And they start driving down the road. Well, pretty soon, woo, 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 what happens? The cop comes by, pulls him over. And he steps out of his cop car and he goes, "Hey, what's going on here, fellas?" And the construction guy goes, "Well, I'm a construction worker and I just met these guys and we all want to be singers and dancers. And he's a biker, he's riding the bike, and then there's the Indian guy in the back. But we don't have any place to live." And the cop goes, "Oh, great, you're homeless?" And they go, "Yeah, we want to be a singing group, singing and dancing, but we don't have any money and we don't have any place to live." And the cop goes, "When I'm not fighting crime, I like to sing and dance too." And they go, "That's great. You want to join our group? And can we come and live with you and your wife?" And the cop goes, "I don't have a wife. And no, you can't come live with me." And the guy goes, "Well, we don't have no place to live." And the cop goes, "Well, you could always stay at the YMCA." Indian guy goes, "I don't want to stay at the YMCA. That doesn't sound very fun." And the cop goes, "No, it's fun to stay at the YMCA." All of a sudden, they all looked at each other. Construction guy goes, "What did you just say?" And he goes, "It's fun to stay at the YMCA. It's fun to stay at the..." And one by one, they all joined in. YMCA. And this is how the village people. This is how they got together. It's fun to stay at the YMCA. This is the story of the Indian guy from the village. Oh, there's a cowboy guy too, I guess. The village people. This has been the story of Indian guy who might have been Puerto Rican as far as I've heard a rumor he wasn't even Indian. And some other gay guys. To learn more about, alternative lifestyles, if you will. I don't know. Turn on any media. When I was a girl, they never talked about it. Now people won't shut up about their stupid gayness. Nobody cares. Wow. It's fun to stay at the Y. I've never stayed at a YMCA. Well, because I'm a little girl, I guess. You do 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 na 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 na. It's my theory, though, that I don't even think the Village People were gay. Actually, I don't really get a gay vibe from these guys anymore. I mean, yeah, 1978. Just 5 guys. I don't know. These guys don't seem that gay. What, because the biker's got a chain? So what? If anything, it kind of looks like a redneck. The cowboy is the gayest looking one. Or maybe the construction guy. Because he's got this wrench in his mouth. But, my theory is they were closet heterosexuals. They're probably meeting girls on the road and they're like, don't let the public know that we're actually not gay. La, la, la. When Donald Trump came to Bemidji, that was the song he came out on the stage to dance to. Like, come on, dude. Of all the songs in the world, YMCA. I mean, at least come out to Macho Man or something. Macho, macho man. I got to be the macho man. Do, 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 do. Sabe, sabe. I'm squatching. I'm watching for Sasquatch. I'm squatching. Sabe, sabe. That's our word for Bigfoot. And the 7 Anishinaabe, the grandfather teachings. Do I still have that picture? Yeah, sabe. Honesty. Honesty is such a lonely word. Everyone is so untrue. La 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 la. Honesty is hardly. I heard Danny Masterson was the most honest person that Ashton Kutcher and Miley Kunis had ever met. Miley Kunis said, he's a good big brother. Oh, okay. And that's not what I heard, but all right. Are you being honest? Or is there a guy right off screen holding a gun at their heads? Honesty is hardly ever heard. You've just been punked, Ashton. Ashton Kutcher. What kind of names are Ashton and Mila? Those aren't names, you guys. Those are bodily functions. Oh, I just Ashton my pants. And why are they lying on the floor? Hi, we are multi-millionaires. Our names are household words. But all I can afford to wear is an old Kmart t-shirt. Can't afford to shave. No. I was too busy working to take a bath and shave. This is a guy who's perpetually somehow has to time it. So his beard never grows in, but he's never fully cleanly shaved. Oh, look at me. It's that 70s show. I never really cared. It's time to start the music. Why is that song stuck in my head all the time? All right. It's time we should be going. Boop, 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 boop. Beep, beep. Beep, beep.
Bonjour.
Hi, sweetie.
Hey, ready to come in?
Yeah, can you pick me up?
You got it. Let's see, I got to scan for your coordinates.
All right.
And that's 1 to teleport.
Make it so, number 1. No. YMCA is on to stay at the YMCA. We've never recorded that song.
Yeah, let's not.
What?
Nothing?
Hey everybody, it's a rock star cartoonist, Michael Lyons. NANABOOZHOO, Michael Lyons, say hello.
Hey everyone, how you doing?
If you'd like to learn some more Ojibwe language, Michael Lyons has published a book. Well, this is Dog and Maingan. This is, I like this one, but this is a kid's book. This is a children's picture book that teaches kids how to count to 10. The one I was looking for isn't up here. Ojibrush! A collection of Ojibwe language cartoons by the rock star cartoonist Michael Lyons. Links are in the description. To Amazon. Michael's got probably over 20 books available at Amazon.com. What else?
You can join the Boozhoo Crew membership channel.
You can join the Boozhoo Crew membership channel. Click the link right about here, I think. For $4.99 a month, you get exclusive, private, whatever. We've also got a GoFundMe. We've got to buy a computer. If you'd like to help support our GoFundMe campaign, I guess what I'm saying is links in the description if you'd like to give us some of that sweet, sweet Junia. Junia money. And this has been your Ojibwe language word of the day. My name is Natasha. This over here is NANABOOZHOO, the star of the show.
Okay, miigwech.
This over here is Michael Lyons, the rock star cartoonist.
Thanks so much, everyone. We'll see you later.
And I will see you again. Gigawabamin Minawa.
You serious?
Yes, I'm serious. Oh, that guy, he's so annoying. Gigawabamin Minawa. I will see you again. Oh.